Hello YouTube, I just tried to make a video on this and my mom called. Mama, I beg of you, please don't call. I am. Add Sean Rowe Williams. John. Hey. I'm sorry about this. Here's something funny. I'm putting up a comment for Sean Rowe Wills. Hey, if you're watching this video, Sean Rowe Wills, do you live in Decatur, Alabama? Or in Alabama in general? And if so, did you work at one time at a place called DeRomeo's at the Decatur Mall? I had a friend there that that worked there, but DeRomeo's closed. They ran out of business. Curse you, Wing Shack. Ever since Wing Shack opened, here is their customers. Wing Shack opened. That one day when me and my grandmother went there, we were the second customers there all day. And it was 3 in the afternoon. One sec. There we go. Right back up. And onto the review of the knife. Knife blade. This whole thing's made out of stainless steel. See, knife blade, I whittle a bit. So, very useful. Saw blade. Very useful for cutting wood and polishing off stuff. This is a finer saw that I don't use. I don't know what it actually is, but if you could tell me, please do. Next step. Scissors. And together are can. It makes a hole in can, you know, just. This one's a 2-in-1. This you can pop the lid off, say, a classic soda bottle. And it's also a Phillips head screwdriver. I mean flathead. Phillips is the cross. That was our tingy. And let's see. Corkscrew. This thing. What is it? It's a piece of metal and it has a hole in the top and it's pointed. What is it? Have no idea what this is. And oh my goodness. I never really have fingernails, so hard to do things like this. Reason why I don't bite my fingernails, I peel them. You know, it's a habit. It's a bad habit that I can't break. This is a file, and can get the gunk out of under your fingers or fingernails. And last but definitely not least, which I used in the gutting of the strong arm that now doesn't work. Yes, the strong arm. Oh, and by the way, the strong arm doesn't work. A Phillips head screwdriver. Well, YouTube, that's my knife. So, hope you enjoyed. See you next time.